Like seriously, how can you be telling me this story? Yes, nipa dane anoma. Ewo Gomoa Mampong. Now, this story, I don't get it. What you say? What do you think you can answer?
Na ni nyina ne say your ho ne mo frɛ sɛ mommra mehwa ma wasɛm bia esie Gomoa Mampong. Na edi ani ko twa wusu kokɔ ya ekodu hɔ no na kyerɛ sɛ nipa dɔmtwem na abɔ edi ekyia efie baako a nipa ɔtwe yɛ fɛ no Pakwasi na kyerɛ sɛ nkyerɛmu a amanfo mo wɔ hɔ ɛne na yiri ni nua ne na busuafo de ba nyina sɛ Pakwasi no wayare bosome mako mienu nie mamode na kɔ wini batroma ba ya le sabia sa ya le ne ade kɔ na ɛno hu sɛ edu anapa yare ne emba ne ti asɛde ahwie nso ɔhyɛ ɛde agu ne tim we kyerɛ na kyerɛ sɛ akɔya sɛ papa ya ɔdumi enda na edu anwumra na kyerɛ sɛ bo ɔtɛntɛm saa makromofo no amafo bia ate sɛ Pakwasi ya le na ba ɛnti ndom me sɛ ɔmmɛbɔ mpa Yakob ya to odifo ba bi anim odifo ba no ɛkyɛm sɛ ahomakye na ɔmo bɛsɔre abɔ mpa ye no ama ana so ɔmmɛyɛ no ho adwuma ɛnti enura anwumre ade bɛka ndɛ ahomakye no donko na ɔmo sɔre ya ɔmo ɛbɔ mpa ye no ɔmo kyɛ sɛ ɔmo mpa ya na ɔmo te hu sɛ kwankwa na bi mienu aba besisi abranteɛ Pakwasi on ne dan or the mom for fine obviously the so.
Through Quack the levels. Quack ya bumpire ma Quack do be a pea. Some powerful prayers were Ghana pa. Prayer camp will be organ. A Chimota forest and going you gunya de ketua. Some pire be anway pa ya bumpire ma Quack do be naba. Yentiene to as well.
Enti empire no man na Kwankwa Lebino etu baako tu koye na ka baako. Onwan se kan Kwankwa Lebino abofom pu. Afede abofom ana Kwankwa Lebino adane nipa.
My goodness. Now this is not someone narrating kind of film I watch you. This is someone narrating in some way yesi Gomoa Mampong. Kwa oma bompaya ma Kwankwa de bia ba besi dinosaur. Ebesi dinosaur ampaye ni gusu na ne yete se kese baako tukọ amana ka baako mpaye ne yete from level 1 to level 6 out of nowhere na kwakwado bi no aba bebo fam say gbram. Now I don't know ni pakro team hu soro ho confirm say ye kwakwado bi but you know Nyankopon yi kire omo spiritual enye confirmed of course afede egbo fam anoma no obi enfo na ni ehu no anoma no adani nipa. Okay. I was here, you are catching him.
Na nipa na Kwankwa ndane na omusa ne se na odi ofrefa. Abai wei a ote eyiso a won se yade nyanya agu ne komu no. Osi ofi ni winiba na omaton Pakwasi na mana bone fa se omra meku no omton ma no 50 Ghana cedis.
Abuzia. Ya. Pakwasi na yebo ampa ya ma no. Ya ton na masa nipa anoma na wadani nipa no. Yes, you are 50 cedis omra meku no. Now I'm not doubting say witchcraft or Ghana. But what your mama is confused a little fuzzy on the details and they say kwa do bi obi ehu no. Atimi adani into nipa. Ama ya chi nipa no mane to was say ba ye na free spiritual. Aba bedru physical. Now I would have loved to see the transformation of, you know, the kwa do bi into the nipa do bi. Yeah. How is that possible? How can you tell me the story?
Some up on the past, Onona, Onya, Pakwasi, word Moususum, na Sebe, Yane, ya ultimendano, and Tipa, Omayabono, no 50 Ghana, or Jay. But then, you give me who be that with them who be that Nana entry, or you diplo, I will go Gomoa Mampong. I pay for Modia, Fremont, United Church, Mobia, Fan, and Sankano, and Manifest Posty for. We were supposed to put your mama by it. No, Cassa, one being a no see of you in Papa, I found a Cassa and a Cassa Mabium. And then say, almost says, almost no echo a solid echo bomb fire at the mano.
Says a case in a spiritual, but physical. Says he has a police case. As he says, and then go back to spiritual when you go pon when you were Sunday go bomb fire man. Because or can't say you're born a pie and things we and no. new winiba ene yesi nipa kwakwa dobi ni free ena watu pata aba Gomoa Mampong. This case I can't think far. Again, I'm not saying it's a witchcraft in the whole. I'm not saying it's a nyejuma. I'm not saying it's some of these parts. I'm not saying it's a part of the story and a force. But the whole story, it looks kind of bad. As a kwakwa dobi type of thing. Nipana just say, hey, kwakwa dobi. What does it say? Ayo.
Nti no kasa ya kwa no ntimi kasa ya. Apostle no fa na de ne call. Gomoa Ochelekon police station.
So basically na simple like that. Akura yesi ya chi no ebeifo. Na Ghana some of above binum pulu stanza. Oje ho tena se hwa de na it doesn't really look or sound right. But sometimes it happens. Now there is a video of the prayer warrior na obompa ya mu aden makwakwa dobi ni besi dan so ma fe die ba ko bebo fo mani dan nipa no. Ye tie madam prayer warrior.
12:30. Ye guso bompa. At the time I guso ya bompa no. And I'm too many. Na me hu sa de tuntum ni gina ho. Nto wana abofo ga jam say me hwa ade. Ti me hwa and I'm too ana moko na nim kakra. Ne me nkrofo am na mo bompa ye. Nti yakwa me bisa na sama onya da onya no ya to ne no apon. Nti me ya say obakasa. Nti wan kasa me di nsuo na me di gu no so. Nti okasa na me bisa so firi. No so firi wini ba bosom kase ya no wo mo na wo soma no. Na me say adai. No say wo mo bo na pa 50 Ghana. And all the buy na me say ka chance na nye ne mo to awie ya dai. Aba.
Abuziati yo, yesi wini ba bosom kese o wo wini ba. Ene bo akura ne pa 50 Ghana. Now I know that Mampong can use even a lot less to destroy people near my destiny. So I'm not doubting that part. But the part is a bosom. Bosom must small by if one. That is the part here. A sound of fishy, mommy. Because again, if you don't even know what bosom is, you get confused. You want bosom for and you want bosom. Bosom ni deity, no. Ena bosom for already yame. Nti bosom na ankasa. Atimi asuma bayifo because a bosom ni ntimi ye na adwuma. Is that what the prayer warrior is telling me? This story, like I can't believe this. Is Capito behind this? Because it feels like Capito tactics in the course of Hazino. Ude yakwe nim.
It's a na mimi nya ho nko. Tise adechi na mansa be dai ebe hu. Nti na ya ho no.
No much less.
Me bisa no ho anka nti ande ho de hu masam. Nti wantumi aka ndem se ntumi nka ho hwe.
No mo ye.
Me de me hu no de eye nipa baako. Na papa bi so ba ha. Na aka che se baako bi gina kire ho. Nti ya ngwa hwe. Ti me kwa me hu se nipa no. Na che se nipa no kọ.
Ya buzia madam prayer warrior no. What chire na afom de? Do you believe this story? Are you telling me that this story is real? This story is true, at least the entire story, not parts of the story. Because part of the story, I know, say, it happens, it can happen. But if you tell me, say, the biggest bosoma, yes, you are most powerful. According to Madam Prayer Warrior, bosom na small by you for. Abraham Manfo binum so akika mati bi pen. So when it comes to the spiritual realms na, tumi eni ahoden kura ye bayifo a. This abuzia shaki kakra. But enya Madam Prayer Warrior onko aso na bekasa. Akura yesi ono na, oye kwakwa do bi a wadane nipai. Na buzuafo aso yesi ono so ba bekasa bi. Yenko ho.
Be sei ni na mode hye no wanya adwenimu hawo.
Lepacho mama ne odewo no. Nti wawo na ketua ni nyina wadewo no to di fi atase. Nti atase no wawo no to wakra na anyi firi ni ya na onyim kasa. Onyim ni dia nti ya ha mofra ban na okwa agurida watwetwen wabobwa no watete ne me ohun kasa kakanka. Nti onyim bibia nti teye wala ro okra na lempo onyim obia wo.
Now, Buzia, this is another angle to this whole story. Because according to at least the family member na Kasano, Osi Akurana ira from field for 3 days. Kasa kro ntimi nka bi. and now shy, you know, what about pure. And right now, no, they are touting the young girl, no, say, or your witch, or your before. You see, sometimes in these cases, no, some people get it wrong. Sometimes they resort to say, and a whole lot more. This story, Mami, who watch your comment section as well. Who didn't was
na wanya mfie say
But I was 39 years.
39
39 years. Ebi anye the same video once me because if the same video ni eke akora your ti ayi even though so hu nanim there, but at least you can get some angles from the face ya betimi a kire say akora like you're young 39 years. Hey, aboye
ana wo di na chi say ana ono na di wachi Uni aketwa. Okay. Na munim se owo adwunu mu how free ne nkwala ase no. Ennioma ban na mode agu akwan mu se mo behwe no. Na enu nti otimi kopie mu wo Mampong ho saa.
Adwunu na ya di family mama me osane yara anyeye. Nta anyeye no odwana. So odwana ho mo ma me no so otere na no so wa kedebi. Na mo so ordinary jam ma me no wa ya anyeye ntimo so mi ahomenti ntimi no nko bebia.
Clearly no obi a ohia moa but enam sex kaka kra ni fie nti no you know moa bia no wa ya seek for akora no. And when that happens now, like I keep saying, this story, you can't tell me that the entire story is real and I say it's true. No. Personally, I feel like a coincidental adiebi. Because if just a corona yere free, I'm a family member confirm say indeed why rampa. And then will be a bonfire, ma be a baby dance. Okay, according to Madam Prayer Warriors, do I say Holy Ghost in a kasaya? Hey, spiritual things. Yeah? You didn't call spiritual hobby into your bending. Abusia, that is basically the story I meant to say. And they say, me senka me rest, me kopa ben kwen biedi. But it looks like we have to talk about this matter. How can you tell me, say, Obia Timia done from Kwa Dobi into a human being? Because of umpire Yabon war. Abusia, I know that it can happen. But this story, Mami, who are your comment section as well? It looks like him here vehicle 20. Yeah. Mami Chabi, because how the story is, Lewo and Kasa.
Michael, we support my new system. Yeah, Minya, Mama Michael.
Pacho, what Tony near?
Let's not go be able to go to Beto.
Me ko support my business phone in our immune system. Hey, that's a Chevical t-shirt. Mato t-shirt. Me ko ba be fan kan no. Ni t-shirt ru go mama.
Boss, champion, Mr. Mr. Willie one.
Okay.
Michael, I'm supporting a new system.
And your well-being.
Vico 20 is not suitable for children under 12 years of age, pregnant women, and lactating mothers. A quality product from Joy Herbal Center.
So ya busia Vico 20 no Ragana pharmacy shop kwa Jodie. This story my mu wadwo comment section as well. E bi a chena betena se analyze video ni ye. Because right now as it stands, my first impression is there. I don't think far. I can't think far. It is what it is. No video, no. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Do all the good stuff. Till we meet again, I will say, adios.